Fast and stable internet is very important to us, as I'm sure it is for you too. No one wants to wait hours for a game to download or stream low-quality TV shows just because your router can't keep up with what you're doing. We also happen to have a lot of devices in our house, several of them being able to connect to the Wi-Fi in one way or another, be that streaming live sports on the multiple TVs, downloading games on our PS5s, or even controlling the many RGB lights we have connected to our Google Home. It all adds up, and when your router can't keep up, nothing works correctly. Today, we want to take a look at a new router, which will hopefully help upgrade our home network without costing a lot, as routers can often be expensive. This is the Archer BE600 from TP-Link, also known as the BE9700 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 router. Thank you to TP-Link for sending us this for review and sponsoring today's video. First of all, and probably most importantly, is the fact that this router utilizes Wi-Fi 7. It is the new standard for Wi-Fi, building upon Wi-Fi 6 extended device capabilities, and adding faster and more efficient speed to them. This is especially helpful if your devices struggle to keep up and constantly buffer or lag. Wi-Fi 7 uses ETH, or extreme high throughput, at 46 gigabit per second max data rate. This is up from a mere 9.6 gigabit per second on the previous Wi-Fi 6 generation. That is 4.8 times faster. It also offers 4 times lower latency and 5 times the network capacity compared to Wi-Fi 6, thanks to its 320 MHz and multi-link operation. Now, this specific router model is a tri-band router, as the name suggests. This means it can work on the 2.4 GHz band, the 5 GHz band, and the 6 GHz band to give you more speed of up to 9.7 gigabit per second. It is not using the full power of the Wi-Fi 7's 46 gigabit per second max data rate, but it is also at a very reasonable price of about $200 to $250. It is still going to handle all of your devices at good speeds while staying stable, especially thanks to its 6 high-performance antennas, which gives you broader coverage throughout your house. They use something called beamforming in order to detect devices and then concentrate the signals towards them, which ensures you stay connected no matter where in your house you are. The router is also compatible with EasyMesh, which means you can add other products to help extend the range to multiple rooms and levels in your house. This will seamlessly let you connect between the multiple devices without losing signal or having to switch between different Wi-Fi names. We have utilized this in our own house since we have multiple setups across the house that each need fast and reliable internet. Thankfully, it's really easy to set up through the app while following the on-screen instructions, and now we don't have this dead zone in our Wi-Fi anymore. You also get the option to choose your favorite devices and enable them to get the fastest connection possible. Perfect if you want your gaming setup to take priority over your bedroom TV, for example. Security is also important when it comes to internet. Thankfully, the BE600 has TP-Link Home Shield, which includes advanced security features to protect your data and privacy. It uses a real-time network scanner in order to detect security issues and parental controls to manage screen time and block inappropriate content. There's an option to set up a separate Wi-Fi for IoT devices and overlay an advanced WPA3 encryption to get even more privacy and security on your devices. Adding to the security is the fact that it also supports VPNs and servers, which means your devices can easily access remote VPN servers without having to install VPN software on each device, which can get pretty time-consuming. You can also set up so that the VPN and normal internet is running at the same time, so some devices can use either one based on your needs. It's a great option to have for sure, and it makes internet security that much more approachable. We can't forget to talk about the wired connections either. Here you get a 10 gigabit per second port, one 2.5 gigabit per second WAN and LAN port, and three 2.5 gigabit per second LAN port to really take advantage of the internet speeds that you get to your house. This is great to see, as we love to use wired connections to our PCs and gaming consoles for even better and faster connections. Overall, it's a solid next-gen Wi-Fi 7 router at a competitive price, especially given the range, stability, and the option to link it to other devices for a boost. It'll be more than enough whether you're streaming movies and shows in 4K, controlling your smart home, or gaming with ultra-low latency. And let's not forget about being able to download games quicker. Thank you again to TP-Link for sponsoring today's video. You can find more info about the Archer BE600, BE9700 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router in the description below. We think this is a great router for the price, but as always, please make sure to compare different models and brands before investing in new devices and products. And thank you for watching this all the way to the end. We really hope that you learned something about how to improve your internet speeds. We have more router and Wi-Fi related videos on our channel which you can check out, or why not relax with some video tours of some of our crazy gaming setups and learn more about what we actually use all the internet speeds for. Please consider liking this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. We have some huge plans coming up really soon that are going to be really exciting, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all of that. If short form is more your speed, you can find us posting daily shorts here on YouTube, as well as on Instagram and TikTok at CamXPetra. You can also head over to our website CamXPetra.com, where we link all the products that we use in the setup in case you need some inspiration. See you next time. Bye.